another one. This is MA Today. I just thought I'd show you something interesting. On my way to be with my husband at the hospice every day, I go past a property with a fairy house made from a tree stump. It's about 7 feet tall, as you can see here, where I'm taping it to my car. I'm going to get out and go a bit closer. Just get up over this fence. It is just the cutest thing, and it has some extra sticks of wood on the ground around it. I love the wonky shingles on that slanted roof. And over on the other side, it has a wooden chimney that leans to the right. You can't really see it. It's right here. This is a community with really large trees that are hundreds of years old. So I love what they've done with this little big fairy house. I hope you enjoyed seeing it. It brings a smile to my face every time I see it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.